Hello guys and welcome back to my channel Rover Hightail. So today I'm going to make a blog on one of the most beautiful place of the southern Odisha, none other than Rayagada. So for today's blog I have with me the Bajaj Pulsar 220F. This is a wonderful tourer and an exciting beast for tracks. So let's begin. Jai Jagannath. Now I am at a place called Guma, some 10 odd kilometers from Rayagada. So let's go and explore the beautiful ghats of this place because when life throws curve at you, lean on it. She is an avatar of goddess Durga. She is the prime deity of this region. Not only people of this region, but also people from Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and Andhra Pradesh come here to worship her. And then we will go to visit the Hanging Bridge, which is widely famous over here for very beautiful location it is situated in. We've arrived at the Maa Majhighariani Temple, but unfortunately it is closed because of the lockdown. But no worries, we'll have some wonderful pics at the nearby bridges and we will move to our next location, that is the Hanging Bridge. So now we will rev through these wonderful curves and finally we will reach at a location from where we'll be getting a wonderful and beautiful hilltop view of Rayagada.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build-up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought.
So after revving my throttle to the top, I have reached this viewpoint from where I'll be having some mesmerizing view of this beautiful town. अगर आप लोगों को ये लग रहा है कि मैं अचानक से बाइक से कार में कहां शिफ्ट हो गया, तो ये जानने के लिए आपको देखना पड़ेगा मेरा अगला ब्लॉग. सो एडियोस एमिगोस. ओह सॉरी. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button if you loved my video. So stay safe, stay healthy.